welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to take a look at 13 DeWalt tools that come with free gifts when you purchase them. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So what we got here is we got the DeWalt XTREME. It's a 2-tool kit. This is the 12 Volt Max Brushless combo kit. Comes with the soft case, it comes with 2 batteries and the charger, all for $199. And then if you go ahead and click into the free gift here, along with this combo kit, you'll be able to pick one of these free gifts here. They got the 3/8 inch 12 Volt Max brushless hammer drill. They got the reciprocating saw. They've got the 1/2 inch impact wrench, the rotary hammer drill, 3/8 inch drive impact wrench. They got your 5 3/8 inch circular saw, and then they got the 12 Volt Max oscillating multi-tool. So you get the combo kit here for $199. Go ahead and you can click one of your free tools here. We got the circular saw picked, got that added to the cart. As you can see, the subtotal is $199. So you're getting 3 tools there, 2 batteries, and a carry case, all for $199. Not a bad deal. Next one up is the 20 Volt Max 6.5 inch cordless circular saw. They got this at $129. Was $139. I'm pretty sure that Home Depot, let me see if I got this pulled up here. Yeah, so Home Depot has the 20 Volt Max 6.5, so same tool here. This one comes with a 2.0 amp hour battery. They have this on their website for $139. Click over here at Lowe's. They got this, just the tool, only for $129. But then you click in the gift here. What do they give you? They give you a 5 amp hour battery with the tool for free. $179 savings there. So you're getting the DeWalt circular saw for $129. You get the DeWalt 5 amp hour battery, all for $129. Nice pickup there. Move on to the next tool. We got the DeWalt 20 volt fan tool only. They got this at $139. Of course, you're going to get the free gift with it. They're also offering the 5 amp hour battery with this. So saving another $179 there. Here's the 20 Volt Max reciprocating saw. They got this in at $129. Of course, you're going to get the free gift with this. They're also offering the 5 amp hour battery with this one. So another saving of $179. I'm going to go ahead real quick and see what Home Depot's got this listed for. So here's the same reciprocating saw on Home Depot's website. They got this for $99. This is the tool only, so this doesn't come with any batteries or anything. So for an extra $30 there, you're going to get a 5 amp hour battery. So nice deal there. Next tool up, we got the brushless 20 volt oscillating multi-tool kit. This is in at $159. Of course, your free gift, don't forget about that. You're going to get the 5 amp hour battery with this too. Here we got the 20 volt brushless 1/2 inch drive impact wrench. This is $179. Little savings off on that. Save $20, was $199. Of course, they're going to throw in that 5 amp hour battery for free. So another $179 value there. Next tool we got is the 1/4 inch brushless impact driver. They got this at $145. Going to click in here. Another 5 amp hour battery added free with this purchase. You're going to get the 1/4 inch impact driver, which is brushless, for $145, and then you're going to get the 5 amp hour battery. Next DeWalt tool here, we got the 3/8 inch impact wrench. $179 for this, was $199, so you're saving $20 on that. And of course, don't forget your free gift here. On this one, you're going to get, they got the aluminum adjustable miter saw stand. Get that for free. They got the 4.5 inch angle grinder. They got the 14-piece assorted drill bit set. Don't know why you would want to pick that up when you can get one of these other tools for free at a way higher cost there. They got this variable speed sheet sander you can get for free. And then it looks like here they got the 4 amp hour lithium power tool battery. Also free, but for some reason they got this grayed out, so it just might not be available for purchase at the Lowe's that I'm looking at right now. So definitely I'll pass on the drill bit set and I would pick up one of these other tools for free. Next up, we got the handheld planer. This is $219. Along with this, they're going to throw in the 5 amp hour battery for this one. You're going to get the planer and the 5 amp hour battery for $219. Here's the DeWalt Rotary hammer drill. So I went ahead and added it to the cart here. You're getting the hammer drill and the 5 amp hour battery for $219. Nice deal there. Next up is the DeWalt LED work light here. You get this for $239. Nice little work light there. It's got 3 brightness settings, up to 3,000 lumens on this light. And then with the free gift, you're going to also get the 5 amp hour battery with this, so $179 savings on that. Here's the 20 Volt Max die grinder. They got this at $210. And then of course, your 5 amp hour battery with that. Another $179 saving there. You get that free gift with the die grinder. Alright, and then the final tool they got with the free gift is this DeWalt LED rechargeable work light. They got this in at $210. And then if you click on the free gift with purchase, you're also going to get the 5 amp hour battery with this tool. So pretty nice. This light is up to 5,000 lumens. So pretty bright work light there. Alright guys, so that was just a quick DeWalt video for all you DeWalt lovers out there. I know we got a lot of them. Here's 13 tools here that when you purchase them, you're going to get a free gift with that purchase. Looks like most of them are the 5 amp hour battery, but there's a couple other ones in there also that come with different stuff. So hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Guys got any comments or anything, put them below. Guys like what I'm doing on my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button and that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching guys, and I will talk to you later.
Bye.